chop SL on gold yesterday, but today I caught an entry and it's going very, very well. I think from this particular trade now, I'm going to recover all my loss because I promised myself that I'm going to end this particular week in profit. But gold do me strong thing yesterday, and today again I think I had lost on Euro USD, but it's just $20 lost. So this is the trade I caught on good today. The trade is running $81 now. This is it. It's $81 now. I don't mind if even if it come down to how many dollar, you understand. But I'm going to close it in your presence. What exactly am I trying to do? This is on the resistance level. I know it's going to break the resistance level actually, you understand. This is it here. It's going to break the resistance level, but I'm going to close it now, like, so that I'll know that yes, I've recovered from the loss that I've been having, you understand. Because this week, today is the week I've gone far. Let me just say the week I've gone far, you understand. But the way market just did this week, whoever crossed this week with profit, then that person know what he's doing in the market. You understand? Whoever cross this week and this week in profit, then the person know what he's actually doing in the market. So I don't know. A lot of things is happening. You understand? A lot of things is happening, and that is what I always bring to you guys. You understand? That's what I always bring to you guys. Teach you guys what you need to be doing. You understand? What you need to be doing, because the journey is real. You understand? The struggle is real. You understand? It's not a struggle that one person is supposed to be passing through a lot, alone. You understand? So I think yesterday, this week as a whole, I will show you guys my P and L. You understand? At the end of the week, I will show you guys my P and L. But let me just close it now, then I'll continue. Let me show you guys how I'm closing it. Then now. So this is the trade here. You understand? This is where I enter. Let me open trade history so that you see. It nearly stopped me out. You understand? It nearly stopped me out. This is where I entered. The trade come down to this particular area to stop me out. But God so kind, it still went up. You understand? But it's on this particular resistance level now. What God is doing, I don't really understand. So I'm going to close it now. Then I'll continue with my talk. Just listen carefully and gain one or two things from what I'm going to say. You understand? So I'm closing it now. Once I close this trade, means I've recovered all the loss I've been having this week. You understand? So I've closed the trade. You understand? I've closed the trade. I've recovered from the loss I have in the morning, and I've recovered all the loss I've been having this week. What's the meaning and what's the reason for this particular video? Is because let your win, you understand, more than your gain. And let your win more than your loss in the market. Just try. Be very, very patient, you understand. The market will be here till thy kingdom come. You understand? Till thy kingdom come. Like, if I show you guys accounts Happy Forex is trading as of last 5 years, you guys will be surprised. But do you know that today, like this, as I'm talking to you, Happy Forex closed a trade of $1.5 million in just a single day? From a trade, he just entered to position, one play out. I think I screenshot it and I'm going to like maybe overlay it for you guys, or maybe I will not overlay it for you guys. You understand? What am I trying to say? Whatever phase you are in the forest industry, in this particular forest industry now, all you need is to just keep pushing. You understand? Keep pushing, keep improving yourself. I say this in my live stream every blessed day. You understand? Because I know what I pass through, and I know what a lot of traders are passing through. You understand? You need to keep going regardless. Now, like this, after this particular video, I'm going to do a top-down analysis video, and I'll post for you guys. I don't want this particular channel to be a channel where I will show you my profits always on the chart. No, there are times if you check my channel, you understand. There are some there are some this thing thumbnail I will do with crying emoji. Not that I'm that emotional to put that cry emoji, but for you guys to know that it's not only you that have lost. You understand? My profit is more than my loss, of which I need to be like be posting only profit for you guys, you understand? But no, there are a lot of people who will see your profit and give themselves this courage, you understand? I know a lot of people who come to my DM and say, Kai, since I discover your channel, my hope still come back alive, and this and that and that and this, you understand? But so if I see that kind of thing, if I hear that kind of thing, it still keep motivating me to like keep doing the real thing, not faking anything. You understand? Don't try to fake. If you are a content creator, if you are creating content, if you are creating use trading to like, if you are using trading to create content, please try to be real for these upcoming traders who are looking up, who are searching up and down to like find where to be robbing mind, find where to get courage, you understand? Find where to be like, just be real for them at least, please. Be real. Be real. The struggle is too much for you to be faking it for them. You understand? I know the top traders are trying to like show off so that they will be the toppest and keep going, but you that is just coming that you have already know what you are doing on the chart. I see. I can start mentioning names of upcoming traders who are really doing well. You understand? But what they are doing alone is they are showing only their trade, you understand? They are showing their trade. They don't do analysis. Even if you do an analysis and it's not going well, 2 or 3 people that will watch that analysis, they are going to pick 1 or 2 from inside. That is the reason why I do analysis. If you check my analysis video, they know they move well, you understand? I don't know why YouTube used to restrict it, but I don't know, you understand? Fake things is the only thing that trend. Hmm? Fake things is only thing that trend. When you are showing off is only thing that trend. I don't blame those who are showing off, you understand? Because that's what people need. I think that's the reason why YouTube try to be promoting that one than promoting the real thing that people will learn from. But from your own account, from your own sense now, you're supposed to be like, you're supposed to spot a real forex trader who wants to give value to the community. You understand? Who don't need your money, you understand, but to just give the real value. And that is why I host a live section every 8 or 9 p.m. You understand? Let me just say every 8 p.m. If I late, let it be 9 p.m. You understand? But I'll make sure if there is light, as you can see, if there is light, I will come on my chat here and and come live so that people will come up with their questions. Then I'll answer questions. You understand? Let me go to my history. I'll show you my last week history, my last 2 week history, and my last month history. You understand? So that you see that yes, what I'm teaching you, I actually know what I'm teaching you. You understand? And I can even log into my 10K account and I show you. I'm not just teaching you just to get content. No, I'm teaching you from the bottom of my heart, you understand? So that at least you'll be like have somebody to be encouraging you to keep pushing. You understand? Don't pay anybody to teach you. Make research online so that you learn. But if you want to learn, make I tell you, if you want to learn, don't go and learn from all these top traders. So today I make research. I go under Happy Forex video. You understand? Under his video of his past 5 years ago. Do you know how much Happy is trading that time? Do you know how much I found on Happy Forex account that time? $3.23 AUD. You understand? Somebody who is making $1 million in a day, $1.5 million in a day now, as of 2025, he's trading with 3.23 AUD. If I edit this video, I'm going to overlay it for you guys so that you'll see. You understand? All these things that you are seeing today, they have been in the game for long. That is the reason why you are seeing this lifestyle now. If you can be able to be patient enough to stay in the game for long, be consistent with your chart, study your chart day and night and the rest, keep going, keep grinding, regardless. There is nothing is going to stop you. You yourself, another person will come to you and look up to you. You understand? You get? Not be everything you need somebody to tell you. No, you don't need everything from somebody to tell you. You're supposed to be using your sense and be like, this guy that I'm looking up to, is he his lifestyle now that I'm supposed to be watching, or how he did it? I know quite all right that they went back to delete all their past video that's supposed to motivate new traders, you understand? Because of what? Because they need your subscription money. You understand? They need it. They want you to go and register under them. They want you to see them as God. So they went back to delete their videos. The videos that are supposed to motivate you that if this guy can be trading this kind of amount and make it to this level, then I can do it. They went back as far as 7 years ago, 8 years ago, 9 years ago, when they start content, to delete all those videos, you understand? So that you'll be paying them, so that you see them as God. I think they do it overnight. It's not overnight, bro. It's not overnight. These guys, they don't cry. They don't cry that they don't cry like this because of loss upon loss. And the only thing they have that you don't have is because they have backbones. You understand? They have who they will cry to support them. You understand? For their account again to keep going. You understand? And once you don't have somebody at your back to be backing you up, all you need to do is use your sense. Keep learning. You understand? So if you are losing on the chat, I do video. Go to my live stream. I give bunch of like crazy content for free. You understand, that you learn from. But I don't know what's wrong with you guys. I don't know what's wrong with you guys. You guys chase, or you guys try to worship money, or try to worship who is showing flashy cars. You understand? But I don't know what's wrong with you guys. If you want to learn from people who is showing you the real things, not their lifestyle now. If you follow their lifestyle now, you will be frustrated. You will get depressed. This thing don't do me. I go under Kojo Forex like this, burst cry. You understand? I go under his YouTube, Facebook, Instagram page like this. Last 2 years, I burst cry. Instead of me to go back to search when he starts and watching his present lifestyle. You understand? Present lifestyle. If you see wetin Happy Forex is doing last 4 years, you go know say yes, you get 100% hope to keep going and you are still going to make it. You understand? So I'm going to end the video now because I will go live on YouTube. Make I not come waste all my energy here. If you want to like be rubbing mind with traders, legit traders who will not chop 1 naira from you, I know you guys do not value it, but come to my live section every day and ask questions. Ask questions. All of una go dey claim I too know, but you don't know anything. All of una dey claim I too know, but you don't know anything. The wisdom no dey. Just try give yourself wisdom. Stick to who is giving you the real thing. You understand? Let their life be motivating you, but their old life, that is what you're supposed to be watching, not their present life. You get? See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the bell notification so that whenever I go live, you'll be notified. Then you join us. That is where we will share the real things, face to face, not edited. You see me live, not edited. You understand? I choose to do that. I want to be real. You understand? I want to be real, not edited, not edited. You get? Not edited. So I see you in my next video. Bye for now.